Hey tech friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I've gotten a knockoff MagSafe Duo Charger that I snagged for 800 rupees. Now it's not a real deal, but let's see how it holds up. Let's start with a quick look at the box. It got that familiar Apple SQ design, but we all know looks can be deceiving. Opening it up, we find the charger nested inside, along with an unexpected USB A to C cable and a user manual. Nothing fancy, but we are here for functionality. Now, on to the main attraction, the MagSafe Duo Charger Dupe. It got a similar design, attempting to capture that sleek Apple aesthetic. The build is not up par with the original, but for the price, we are willing to overlook that. I will be using this power bank connected with a Type-C cable to power this charger. Let's put it to the test. I've got my iPhone 13, Series 7 and AirPods nearby. Placing the iPhone on the charger, there is somewhat a magnetic click, and it does start charging. The magnet inside aren't as strong as the real deal, but considering the price difference, it might be worth the compromise. Moving on to the watch. The alignment is a bit finicky, which could be due to the rugged case I am using with the watch, but it starts charging. And finally, the AirPods. Let's take off the phone and place the buds to see if they start charging. We can have only two devices charging at once, either the phone and the watch, or the AirPods and the watch. It's not as elegant as the original, but for a fraction of cost, it's reasonable compromise. In conclusion, this MagSafe Duo Charger knockoff might not be a perfect substitute for real deal, but it's a budget-friendly option for those who wants to dabble in MagSafe charging without breaking the bank. If you found this unboxing and review helpful, give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe for more tech exploration and ring that notification bell to stay in loop. Until next time, this is Bhavin signing off.